When I started looking for a digital air fryer, I wanted something that could handle family meals, was easy to use, and didn't break the bank. After a lot of research and hands-on testing, I found myself drawn to the Gourmia line of digital air fryers. Here's my honest review of the main models, their features, and my experience using them in my own kitchen. Why I chose Gourmia Digital Air Fryers. Gourmia has built a reputation for offering affordable, reliable, and feature-rich air fryers. What really stood out to me was their consistent use of FryForce 360 degrees technology, which circulates superheated air to cook food quickly and evenly with little to no oil. This means healthier meals without sacrificing that crispy texture I love. Gourmia GAF 698 Digital 6-Quart Air Fryer. The GAF 698 was my introduction to Gourmia. What I loved immediately was the compact size, perfect for my countertop, but still big enough to cook for a small family. The 12 one-touch cooking functions made it incredibly easy to switch between air frying, baking, dehydrating, and more. The guided cooking prompts were a lifesaver, reminding me when to add or turn food for the best results. Cleanup was a breeze thanks to the non-stick basket and crisper tray, both dishwasher safe. The FryForce 360 degrees technology delivered crispy fries and chicken wings with almost no oil. However, I did notice that freshly cut fries needed a bit more time than the preset suggested, but that was easy to adjust. Gourmia GAF 798 7-Quart Digital Air Fryer. I upgraded to the GAF 798 when I needed more capacity. The 7-quart basket is perfect for feeding 4 or more people, and I could easily fit a whole chicken or a big batch of veggies. The 10 preset functions took the guesswork out of cooking, and the optional preheat and turn food reminders ensured everything cooked evenly. Performance-wise, I was genuinely impressed. The air fryer was fast, cooked food evenly, and the results were consistently crispy and juicy. I appreciated the auto shut-off feature for safety, and the included rack allowed me to cook multiple items at once. The only minor drawbacks were a stiff basket and a slightly unresponsive touchscreen, but these didn't affect the final results. Gourmia GAF 846/GAF 858 8-Quart Digital Air Fryer. When I hosted larger gatherings, the 8-quart models, GAF 846 and GAF 858, were game changers. The extra-large basket handled up to 5 pounds of food, ideal for parties or big families. With 12 one-touch cooking functions and guided cooking, it was almost impossible to mess up a recipe. I loved the sleek stainless steel design, and the intuitive touchscreen made setting preferences easy. The FryForce 360 degrees technology worked wonders, cutting up to 80% of fat from my favorite fried foods. Cleanup was still easy, with dishwasher-safe parts. The only hiccup I had was with the cord storage attachment on the GAF 858, which was tricky to install, but it was a minor issue compared to the overall convenience. Gourmia GTF 7616 in 1 multifunction digital air fryer oven. If you're looking for versatility, the GTF 7600 is a powerhouse. It's more of a countertop oven with a huge capacity, fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, and 16 cooking presets, including air fry, bake, slow cook, dehydrate, and more. I found this model especially useful when I wanted to bake cookies, roast a chicken, or even proof dough. The glass viewing window was a nice touch, letting me check on food without letting heat escape. The only downside was the size. It takes up more counter space, but for the features and performance, it's worth it if you have the room. Gourmia GTF 7580 Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. This model combines the best of a convection toaster oven and an air fryer. With a 19.8 L capacity, I could fit a 12-inch pizza or a large roast. The 7-in-1 functions covered everything from toasting to dehydrating. It's a great all-in-one solution for those who want to replace several appliances with one. Gourmia French Door Digital Air Fryer Oven. The French door model was a recent addition to my kitchen. The French door design made loading and unloading food so much easier, especially when using both racks for multi-level cooking. The digital controls were intuitive, and the powerful air circulation system ensured even cooking every time. I loved the versatility. Air frying, baking, roasting, and toasting all worked flawlessly. Cleanup was simple, thanks to the non-stick interior and dishwasher-safe accessories. The only thing to note is that toasting bread required a bit of manual adjustment for perfect results, but overall, it was a pleasure to use. What I love about Gourmia Digital Air Fryers. Affordability. Gourmia consistently offers great value for the price, often beating out more expensive competitors in performance. Ease of use. The one-touch presets and guided cooking prompts make the learning curve almost non-existent. Performance. Whether I'm cooking chicken wings, vegetables, or baking a cake, the results are reliably crispy and evenly cooked. Cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts save me time and hassle after meals. Versatility. From basic air frying to baking, roasting, dehydrating, and even slow cooking, these machines do it all. A few drawbacks. On some models, the touchscreen could be more responsive, but it's not a deal breaker. The basket on the 7-quart model was a bit stiff at first, and the crisper plate was tricky to insert. The cord storage attachment on the GAF858 was hard to install. The larger oven-style models need more space, so make sure you have room if you go for those. So, which Gourmia Digital Air Fryer is right for you? For small families or couples, the GAF698 6-quart is compact, easy to use, and covers all the basics. For larger families or meal preppers, the GAF798 7-quart and GAF846/GAF858 8-quart models offer more capacity and flexibility. For multi-function cooking, the GTF7600 and GTF7580 oven models are perfect for those who want a true countertop oven experience with air frying as a bonus. For versatility and style, the French door digital air fryer oven combines ease of use, multi-level cooking, and a sleek look. After months of daily use, I can confidently say that Gourmia digital air fryers deliver on their promises. They make it easy to cook healthier meals, offer excellent versatility, and are a fantastic value for anyone looking to up their kitchen game. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or just love crispy food without the guilt, there's a Gourmia digital air fryer that will fit your needs perfectly.